I tried the arrangement in Daily Ukulele, where you basically do most of the words on the G and G major 7 measures, and that C major kind of has a little bit of a note hold onto it and then is mostly silent, and it's not working for me. Let me just show you with the 4 strums per measure. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Sing and try on that C, where it's supposed to actually have been in the previous measure. Let's try that next measure again. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine something about trying to squeeze all the words into that G major 7 measure, and then nothing on the C is not pacing out for me right. So I dropped the Daily Ukulele version and kind of realigned it in a way that worked better for me. Let's try out Imagine using a strum that is down, down, up, down, down. Let's play through the first several majors. G, down, up, down, down, G major 7, down, down, up, down, down, C, down, G, down, up, down, down, G major, down, down, up, down, down, C, G, major 7, C, G, give that a try. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people let's try with this pattern. On the first half of the measure, you're going to do down, down. In the second half of the measure, it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 doesn't that sound like Imagine? Let's go ahead and just do, without the words yet, try that several times. G, 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 C, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, G, G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, C, G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, let's go ahead and try that strum. For this time through, I've simplified this. I've left out the G major 7s. Okay, we're just going to stay on the G when we're doing all of that strum switching. So the way it's going to go is on the G, we're going to go down, down, and where that blue line is, we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we're going to change to the C chord. Down, down, and stay on the C for down, up, down, up, down, up, down. G. Try that. Imagine there's no heaven. try that with the G major 7s added in. And so again, anytime it's black, we're just going to go down, down. And anything that's blue is down, 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 down. And that blue slash is down, down, down. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the Let's try that off from the beginning. Imagine